I heard it that time.
You heard it that time, yeah. I can't get anything past you.
Are we doing the echolocation crap again? Or I just take potluck?
Yeah, I've got it pointed at you, so you're looking straight at it.
All right.
So you got 2 to choose from.
Okay.
So
should we say what we're doing? We're doing
we're
unboxing one of the crochet kits and see what's inside and see if I can make head nor tail of the instructions.
Yes.
And let's see first if I can actually unbox it.
So this is an Anchor Crochet Kit.
I'm okay to rip the box.
Yeah, of course you are. I'm just looking at doing the front of it. So it's Anchor, and it is Time to Play
Amigurumi.
Yes. And there's 3 in the kit.
I opened it wrong. 10 minutes of video, me trying to open it.
Yeah.
I was thinking it pulled out, but it doesn't. It's just the box.
You know, it doesn't pull out. It's just,
it was a separate
oh,
bit inside the box. That sounded it.
Well, let's hope you don't need to see the front of the box to see what you're doing.
That wouldn't really help me, to be fair.
It would help me when I'm trying to do instructions.
Let's hope the instructions are not on the box. We got some sellotape. Right. There's a ball of wool.
That's a pinky.
The piggy.
Yeah. And
this is another wool.
Lighter pink.
Lighter pink. Why am I just repeating everything you say? Ball 3.
Bolly wants a cracker. That's white.
White. Where's the white on a pig?
Because it's not just a pig. There's and this one isn't even the pig. This is the koala. You opened the wrong one. This one is the koala, panda, and the other one that can't remember what it was.
And none of which are pink.
Fox.
So what's the pink for?
The
pink on pandas.
No, but they're not. They're not naked. So it's got pink stripes, clothing on.
I see.
It's not that kind of crochet. Greenish.
Frog. No, it's wool, but you know what I mean.
Yes. It's not. It's not got the frog in.
It feels like very thin wool.
Yeah,
It feels like cotton.
That's a dark bluish colour. What you may need to do is follow the pattern, but maybe use your own wool. Get similar wool colours. Just have a crack at it and see what you can do. That's a greyish. So that's for the koala body. It looks like.
All sorts of stuff in it.
Yeah. That's red and orange.
Red.
Oh,
red and orange together?
No, it looks that's really weird because when I'm looking at it, it looks red, but on the video, it looks orange. That's so weird.
Your monitor all
it must be.
screwed up.
It must be because the colours look different.
Yes.
Well, you move it further along there.
Yeah, I didn't think that.
Because you're a bit thick. That's a lighter orange. Reddy, peachy colour, looking very different. Orange.
And there's something completely different.
Oh, that's cotton. That'll be for eyes and noses and things. Instruction leaflet.
Oh, I think I know what this is. Can you take?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you can't put these on. I bet this is vacuum packed wadding.
Yes, it is.
You need eyes. And that's it.
Okay.
It. So, what's a no hook? Do we not have a hook?
Let me have a
I don't
look.
need a hook because I have my own hoops. But...
It says what it comes with. Right, it contains Anchor baby cotton, Anchor stranded cotton, polyester filling, and you will need
skills.
Chart and instructions. Yeah, and you need the crochet hook.
Well, I've got plenty.
Necessary tools: 2.5mm crochet hook.
Did you not read this before you bought the damn thing? I can't do that small.
No, but you don't need to, because you can follow the pattern on a bigger hook. Just make a bigger.
Well, I've got to try it, is it?
Yeah, you got to try
It
it.
does it.
And then you need a tapestry needle as well.
Yeah. Because I can't feel the stitches on such a small thing.
Yeah. No, I thought it doesn't really matter whether you use the wool or not, or whether you use your own wool, whether you use your own hook or size it up. It's the pattern.
The pattern, yeah.
Does the pattern make the thing it says it makes?
Yeah.
So
right. Is that it?
right, let's have a look. Let me have a
Oh yeah, instructions.
right. Oh,
Is it written instructions or diagram? Diagram instructions. Makes
right.
sense.
Yeah, it's written instructions.
Okay. Then.
So so it says abbreviations are UK terms. So CH chain, ST stitches, SLST slip stitch, DC double crochet.
I know what the
Okay.
are.
All right. Fair enough.
Just have to remember to convert because I use US.
So it says spiral rounds. Spiral rounds, place a stitch marker to identify the beginning of the round. Rounds are not closed with one slip stitch. Start the round working in the first double crochet of the previous round. Does that make sense to you?
Yes.
And it says head and body are worked in one piece, starting from the top of the head. The other elements are sewn to the main piece.
Yeah, that's how I do mine.
Okay, so it says fox, head and body. Start in colour 00181, orange. Round 1, start 6 DC in a magic ring. And continue by working in spiral rounds. Round 2, increase in all 6 stitches to 12.
Yep.
Round 3, increase 1 DC and repeat 6 times, so it'll leave you with 18.
Yes.
Round 4, increase 2 DC, repeat 6 times, giving you 24. Round 5, increase 3 DC, repeat 6 times, giving you 30. Round 6, increase 4 DC, repeat 6 times, giving you 36. Round 7, increase 5 DC, repeat 6 times, 42. Round 8, increase 6 DC, repeat 6 times, 48.
Yes.
You already look like you've lost the will to live.
It's good.
Round 9, increase 7 DC, repeat 6 times. And that's
You know, if
54.
this was in like DK, like I usually work in,
Yeah.
it's about like this big. Go on.
Did I say round 10? Increase 8.
I've gone off.
Repeat 6 times, that's 60. Then round 11 to 16, so 6 rounds, DC and all 60 stitch. Change to colour 01331 white. To change the colour, close the last DC with the colour of the next stitch, fasten off. And then orange. Round 17 to 18, 2 rounds, DC and all 60 stitches. 19, decrease 8 DC, repeat 6 times, take that down to 54. Round 20, decrease 7 DC, repeat 6 times to 48. Round 21,
keep decreasing until
decrease. Then round 23, slip stitch in all 36 stitches. Add toy stuffing to the head, then change to colour green, fasten off white. 3 rounds in green, 3 rounds in colour aqua until the end of the body. And then round 24, then decrease. And round 56, decrease, fasten off, leaving a tail for sewing. Use a tapestry needle to pick up all the front loops of the last round and pull tight to close, weave in the ends. And then ears, arms and legs and tail.
Cross that bridge when we come to it.
Yeah. And then
Pretty
assemble it.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll leave it here, and then what we'll do is check in with little videos in different points of you making it and splice it all together.
Okay.
And we'll see what you come up with.
Thanks very much.
And then when you've finished one, we'll do a review of how you found it and what you ended up doing. So this is a work in progress. So
Okay.
to be continued.
Yes.